Hi guys, and welcome to the channel. My name's Mariella and the channel is In the Kitchen with Mariella. Hey, today is June the 14th and our daily devotion is Love Like He Does. We love because He first loved us. 1 John 4:19. God's greatest commandments are to love Him and to love one another. Loving Him comes easy after all. He is patient and loving Himself. But the second part of this commandment can be difficult because it means loving intrusive neighbors, offensive cousins, rude cashiers, and guests who have stayed one night too long. Loving one another is only possible when we love like God does. When we love out of our humanity, sin gets in the way. Obeying the commandment to love begins with God's love. God, let me understand your love as much as my mind can grasp it. And then remind me to love others because of the greatest love that you have for me. The nighttime devotion. God give His love even though we don't deserve it. He gives freely and abundantly. And this is spurred us on to love others. We represent Jesus to the world through love. If we know how high and how wide and how deep, how long His love is for us, then we have no choice but to pour out that love on others. The intrusive become welcome. The offensive become peaceful. The rudeness gives way to grace. And the insufferable is overshadowed by the cross and all that Jesus suffered there. The question of the day. In what situation are you finding it difficult to love others? What can you do to show love anyway? To me, one way of showing love is through kindness. You don't necessarily have to associate with people, but you do need to be kind to people. There's no reason for any of us to be rude to another person. And I feel that one of the ways that we could show God's love is through kindness, for being an ear if someone needs to talk. Just sitting and listening. Giving out hugs when somebody needs a hug. All these things are signs of loving one another. I want to thank you all for watching this video. If you haven't seen the last devotional video, today is the day that the family all gets together and says our last goodbyes to my cousin. And then yesterday I found out that I have another cousin in the hospital who also is dying. She's dying from cancer. I'm not for sure what kind of cancer, but yeah, she only weighs 76 pounds, and they don't give her much time to live either. So please keep my family in your prayers. I'm not asking for prayers of healing. I'm asking for prayers of comfort. To comfort their immediate families. And I know that this is hard on a lot of them because they don't understand why. And I don't understand why. I do not understand why. If God knew 16 days ago that my cousin wasn't going to make it, then why didn't he take him 16 days ago? Why did he leave him laying in a hospital suffering, making his wife go through all this turmoil? But it's not my place to ask why. I know that one day all will be revealed to us on why things happened the way they did. But to tell somebody that who is suffering right now, they don't want to hear it. So that is why I'm asking for prayers of comfort. So thank you all for watching the video. If you would, like, subscribe, ring that notification bell, leave a comment, and share my videos. I appreciate it. And try to love one another. And remember, don't let anyone or anything steal your sunshine or your smile. Have a good day, guys. Bye-bye.